fire?
Yeah.
This one.
All you have to do is keep it small like that. Just keep it in one spot. That's how strong the sun's millions of miles away. Still, this light took millions of years to get here. But
Can I do
still,
it?
it's still hot.
Can I do it? Wait, Dada? This is too small. Do you think you're going to like break something in a tiny time? Yes.
And then go smaller, smaller. What?
What would happen if you did that with yourself?
It hurts. You can do something on wood, make your name. Already. If you blow on this, it will be a flame. Fire.
Wait, can we try?
What's that? Who's that?
Wow, is that what you made?